in my hair, making memories with my girl so rare. Cruising in our CanAm Spyder so true, through the curvy roads in a sky so blue. Eastern PA calls with its hills so high, Western PA answers under the sky. Sun above and the open air, hand in hand, there's no need to choose, just me, my girl.
Morning.
Good morning.
Well, we're gonna meet up with Bob and Amy, but first we have to make a stop, and they're gonna meet us in the parking lot of the post office, and then we're going to Clarion Fair.
Alcola Park.
Alcola Park, okay.
Yeah, in I think it's Oak Ridge or Hawthorne. It's like, you know, a centimeter off. So and we're gonna go listen to, I think it's Bob's niece's band.
And then from there we go for a little ride.
No,
No?
we're not going for a ride.
We're not going for a ride, never mind. We'll go for a walk.
No.
Last night we went to see
Way
Jennings.
Waylon Jennings' grandson. He was pretty good.
It was a concert in Katanning.
Free concert.
Yes. Free is for us.
Yeah. Well, free is for John. I don't mind paying, but
Hey, I'm part Polish.
yep. He admits it. And I married 2 Polacks in my lifetime, so there you go.
Oh boy. Is she in trouble? Okay,
In the parking lot.
here's the post office. We'll catch you on our next clip. We're heading to the fair with Bob and Amy in tow.
Yeah, Bob and Amy are back. Packages are signed, sealed, and not delivered yet, but they're on their way. Nicely
Tomorrow.
Pony Express will take at least 4 days.
It takes a day just sitting in this post office before they send it out. So, hopefully I'll take some videos of the fair, and
Yeah,
I'll do that with my camera.
I'll bring my GoPro in, I guess.
Oh, okay.
But my camera can get close-ups.
Yeah, I like the
Better.
camera. You can zoom in on the camera.
Yeah, so I'll just use my camera.
Yeah, that works. So, come along with us, because it's just one of them days. A relaxing day. Stress relieving day.
Well,
We hope.
yeah. Zip.
Here we are. Clarion
County Fair.
Fair.
Fish Basket, Indian Town.
Ooh. And we'll see what's up here.
So I don't know where to.
Park.
Right.
We'll find out, so stay tuned. done with the fair. We listened to Bob's niece,
Autumn.
Autumn. And now we're out on the road for a ride, exploring. I don't want to go the same route we went yesterday.
No.
We'll find something. We'll head out. I don't know.
Yeah, we'll just head out.
We're just heading out. So stay tuned because we're totally lost.
We're not lost, we're just heading out.
That's it. So don't forget to subscribe. Let us know what you think of the channel. Hit the thumbs up. Let us know that you like it because all this
hard work we're putting into this. We need more than just, I watched it.
We don't need to get any thumbs up or any comments. We just...
This is not for a monetary thing. This is for fun.
That's right.
But it takes a lot of work to do this fun. And that's why we need to have some comments and suggestions, choices, whatever.
And don't forget, if you keep coming back, subscribe. It helps us all out.
Thank you to our subscribers, though.
We're a very small channel. We just want to know where work is appreciated. So thanks. We're on Orlean Trail. We'll start here. This is the beginning of it, and we'll go the whole length of Orlean Trail. And then we'll figure out where we're going from there. But it is a beautiful curvy road. So check out that airplane. They're still there?
I don't think it's this close, is it?
No,
I didn't think so.
on the other side. I just liked it because it was curvy. And we got some pretty scenery. Look at that. Nice. This is one of the first roads we went down. We came out here to look at the house. And
Let's see what Orlean Trail is all about. Oh, wow.
well, we stopped at Hendrix and ordered a
Refrigerator and lawnmower.
Miles of mountain crest where the old growth timber puts a soul to the
came down this trail, there was snow on the road.
Clarion line up where the
Yeah.
ridges and the hemlocks twine. Me and my girl on our
I said,
trusty
"Woo."
blue, breathe in the chill of the mountain dew. Stones under the ties of historic grade, car deep where the pioneers strayed. Orlean Trail of dirt and sky, watching the hawks on patrol fly by. Just the whir of the engine, the rhythm of a climb, out of the valley and away from town.
Another bird farm.
Shadows stretching long down the rocky spine.
I wonder if this is that bird place that that lady was talking about. Remember? She said, I used to come here to a bird sanctuary. I wonder if it's this place.
There's a couple of them around.
Maybe.
Trail where the world is left alone. Dust in the air and the map in our hands, tracing the edge of Pennsylvania lands. 18 miles where the wild winds hail, 18 miles of the Orlean Trail. Me and my girl on a crusty blue, riding right into the mountain view. Shadows stretching long down the rocky spine, where the briars tangle in the pine trees twine. Not a soul for the miles to the steady climb. steady climb, 18 miles of dirt and stone. Orlean Trail, where the world is left alone.
Ashbury Road.
Ashbury.
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 Yeah, Ashbury.
Okay. That's
Yeah.
what we are.
Now this is saying that we have no idea where we are.
Yep.
We're on Ashbury Road. That's about it.
Whee!
And it's a little roller coastery.
We go straight. That's that Potter Road. I guess it guts all the way across. Remember I said it doesn't look like it goes through?
Yeah. What's that? 80 over there on our right?
Yeah.
Oh. I'm jealous. They got watch children here.
Watch your own kids.
Ah, I'm thinking that they're like Timex watches, you know, watch children.
Tick tock, tick tock.
Yeah. Yeah, good little Timex. But Mummy, I'm the Swiss. He's the Timex. Oh.
It's like a whole little village over here. Okay. Well, we ran into a dirt road, so we turned around and we're heading back. I think we're going to go for ice cream.
Mm-hmm.
Ice cream stop. Mm-hmm. Well, we had good ice cream.
Yes. We
Fresh-
ate at what? Sweet? No. Tasty Sweet. What was it called? Sweet and
Yeah.
Tasty?
That's what it was. We'll have to read the sign at the rear.
Yeah. Give us a second. We'll get you the real name. It's called Eatin' Sweets. Way off.
Eating sweet.
Yeah. Eatin' Sweets.
Now they just did this gas station, and look, they're tearing it up already.
A month ago. And they're already tearing it up. Hang it up. Forget about having a gas station here.
But it was good. The ice cream was good, and the menu,
Yeah? Cute.
yeah, looks pretty good. And they make fresh bread and pies, all kinds of cool stuff there. We'll have to stop there and try their food. Every day they got something special. And since today is Friday, they have a fish sandwich with French fries.
Yeah.
But we needed that little energy boost of nice ice cream.
Nice cream.
We all scream for ice cream.
Well, I said nice scream.
Oh, nice cream. But we're heading home. We got 11 miles to go.
Okay. Thank you.
I'm just going by the sign.
Yeah. Thought about going all the way into Cook Forest, and I said, well, wait, if we're just going for an ice cream, let's try that place.
Deer.
Oh,
Oops.
We have a little deer crossing the road.
I don't know if the camera picked it up.
He's sitting right there. He's still sitting there. He better not get hit by this car. Flash your lights or something. There he goes. Okay. Bye, little deer.
Oh.
He was cute. He was so cute. Ooh.
Standing in the middle of the road.
Yep. And you know what's weird? Back there, I said in my head, isn't this where they usually are in the middle of the morning when you leave at 6 o'clock when it's like the fog is 4 inches thick?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you for riding with us today, making memories that won't fade away.
Hey, kitty cat.
I'll keep rolling me and you.
Oh,
Don't scare us
sweet
by the
home.
name blue. Side
chickens
by
are getting
side
big.
through the sun and rain.
Well, thanks for coming along today. We had a nice
Hit the wind, our hearts
day.
stay true. Always me
It got
and you
warm
in
fast.
blue.
Yeah,
But
dude.
if you like our video, please
With the sky
comment,
so wide,
give us a thumbs up,
pictures calling
subscribe if you
from
haven't
every
already.
side. Through
All
the
appreciated.
curve, the road shines
And
new.
thanks again to our
Guided by
subscribers.
trusted blue. Side by side through the sun and rain. Every moment feels the same.